All right, to the very controversial DACA decision on the Dreamers. The top UN human rights official voiced concern at the Trump administration's decision to end the DACA program. More from Lynn Pence. Lynn?
Thank you, Alma. The top human rights official voiced concern on Monday the Trump administration's decision to end DACA program for immigrants. They arrived illegally as children, and they urged the U.S. Congress to give them lasting legal status in the country.
Thank you.
I am concerned by the government's decision to end the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program in 6 months' time, despite evidence of its positive impact on the lives of almost 800,000 young immigrants and on the U.S. economy and society. I hope Congress will now act to provide former DACA beneficiaries with durable legal status. I am disturbed by the increase in detentions and deportations of well-established and law-abiding immigrants. The number of migrants detained who had no criminal convictions was 155% higher in the first 5 months of this year than in the equivalent period in 2016.
The Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA, is the U.S. immigration policy established by the Obama administration, referring to a move to end the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program in 6 months, affecting 800,000 young migrants, as you just heard, known as the Dreamers. Zeid Ra'ad Al Hussein told the United Nations Human Rights Council in Geneva he was disturbed by the increase of detentions and deportations of well-established and law-abiding immigrants. Back to you, Alma.
All right. Thank you, Lynn. Joining us live through WebEx is Lynn Pence. Thanks. 800,000 Dreamers. Lynn, that's not a small number. How are the protests helping, or are they helping at all?
Well, there have been several demonstrations taking place across the country protesting the U.S. President Donald Trump's decision to eliminate the program. As you heard, 800,000 young lives are in danger of deportation and being forced out of their jobs. There's a current campaign right now as we speak to help Congress protect the migrants and hopefully come up with a permanent legislation very soon.
And how can this be done aside from taking to the streets, the frustration over this plan to eliminate the DACA program?
Well, people are very, very much encouraged to go online and support the Bipartisan DREAM Act and get on their phones and call right now to your senators and to Congress to help pass the act.
All right. Thank you so much, Lynn. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Alma. From Washington, D.C., I am Lynn Pence for Eagle News, and I am 1 with 25.
All right.